well, maybe if I go directly to the story of José Benítez Sánchez, actually he went to Tepic, and he one of the most important figures in his starting creation process was in fact Salomón Nahmad. And Salomón Nahmad was the chief of the local office of this Indigenous Institute. And José Benítez Sánchez, thanks to a really good interview that Olivia Kingdall made to him, he said that he was actually working for cleaning this institute. And Salomón Nahmad, the professor, asked him once if he knew how to do germ paintings. And so José Benítez Sánchez, he answered that, yeah, actually, well, maybe if these jar paintings were related to sacred places, yeah, he could do it. And so, well, this kind of conversation maybe makes us or reveals one of the main important things of jar painting, that is territory and that is space, and which is obviously linked with imaginary. After this encounter, a friendship started, and then I think maybe I have never, unfortunately, I never met José Benítez Sánchez, but for the different narratives and the people that met him, we can really note that José Benítez Sánchez had a quite particular personality, a really strong and really attractive personality, and maybe this made Salomon they just augmented his trust on him. And he, at a certain point, he was responsible actually of the relations of crafts productions in the Sierra. And so Salomon gave him the responsibility to lead a workshop in Colotlán, but it's not in Tepic, but it's more in Jalisco. And so for a couple of years, actually, José Benítez Sánchez led this workshop and reached really all the production of the crafts that were mainly Huichol crafts. And these Huichol crafts, or Wixárika crafts, were indeed important. Well, the Indigenous National Institute started these workshops in order to really produce or create a more efficient economic subsistence of these populations that to their eyes were completely marginalized and in completely non-progressive context.